In this video, I'll show you the best way to keep Auto Start Stop disabled in your Subaru Forester with reverse automatic braking. Before beginning, please familiarize yourself with the Subaru symbols for Auto Start Stop. The white Auto Start Stop symbol with the slash through it means Auto Start Stop is on, but the conditions to stop the engine are not currently met. Let me repeat that because it's probably our most common customer mistake. The white Auto Start Stop symbol with the slash through it means Auto Start Stop is on, not off. The yellow symbol without the slash indicates Auto Start Stop is off. If you want Auto Start Stop off, as most of our customers do, you want to set Auto Start Stop so the yellow symbol is shown. To begin the install, slide the left front seat all the way back and locate the RAB module which is mounted to the floor. If you happen to have a right-hand drive vehicle, the device still installs under the left front seat. This is the RAB module. Over the years, Subaru has made a couple different variations. Some have more room to access the connector than others. On this variant, it is possible to install the device without unmounting the module. On later variants, you will probably want to remove the nuts on each side of the module so you can lift the module for better access to the connector. We begin the installation by disconnecting the wiring harness from the module beneath the driver's seat. Next, connect the factory wiring harness to the Autostop Eliminator. Then position the device and plug it into the module beneath the seat. Secure the Autostop Eliminator to the adjacent wiring harness as shown. Mounting the device above the floor is important because snow and water can sometimes enter this area. Trim the excess from the zip tie. Once installed, the device remembers when you turn Auto Start Stop off and will work to keep it off. After cycling the ignition, we see the device maintaining the off setting. If you'd like to use the Auto Start Stop feature, simply turn it back on and the device will not interfere with the stock behavior until the next time Auto Start Stop is manually turned off. It's that easy to keep Auto Start Stop disabled on your Subaru Forester. The entire installation takes only a couple of minutes. We use our proven straightforward approach which has no negative side effects. Also, our device does not make any changes to the vehicle, so you don't have to worry about issues with your warranty or lease agreements. When you're ready to sell the car or return your leased vehicle, simply unplug the device and the vehicle is exactly as it was prior to installation.